Are you tired of the restrictions and limits imposed by Family Link on your Google account? Whether you are a parent looking for to lift parental controls, or a teen wanting to regain full control over your account, removing Family Link might be the solution you need. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do just that in 2024. So open your Google account, whether you're using YouTube or using Gmail. In my case, I'm going to go ahead to my Gmail because it's easier. And then basically what you're going to do, click on your avatar icon at the top right, click manage your account. All right, and you're going to see the same settings whether you are using YouTube or using either Safari browser. You're going to just go ahead and click on your profile icon, and then you're going to see the option to manage your account, and then click on people and sharing. All right, swipe right or swipe left, and then click people and sharing. Scroll a little bit down right here, you're going to see manage your family group. Click on it, right, and you're going to see your family members right there. And then basically what you're going to do, you're going to click on their names, right, and then basically what you're going to do, you're going to see an option that allows you to delete the group or delete the family group. Move along, okay, and then you're going to lose access to Google services that needs family group, and you're going to use your passkey to confirm it's really you. And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.